How could you help me explain this to people? What I do?
You're a magician, like a real magician. I've done Reiki healings before and nothing quite like this. Like this is insane.
Yeah,
You're amazing.
thank you. Yeah.
Wow.
So, so, so how did you start experiencing how you're feeling now? And
Oh, so when
what
I
was your problem?
started,
Yeah.
I had extremely tense shoulders, and since you've done the healing, like there's no pain in my shoulder whatsoever. My mind's feeling clear and at peace. Um, no racing thoughts, no overthinking, just calm, peaceful, content, like absolutely amazing.
Yeah. How long have you had this pain for?
Years. And
It's
I've never been able to cure it. Like this is amazing.
good job.